Hi bazala bamzitho, welcome to Mgosi noMagatsheni. I am uMagatsheni, umgosi wethu namhlanje. Bazala bamzitho, it's about Umbali Skhosana, uTikToker who's well known about the content yakhe yokuphekela umyeni wakhe asiphekeleni umyeni wami guys. So guys, you know that Umbali Skhosana banomyeni wakhe badivorcile last year. Badivorcile last year. Yes, they were not legally married, but traditionally they were married because the husband or the ex-husband did pay ilobola guys. And Umbali, after the divorce or the breakup, I think it was not the nice one because Umbali was crying a lot on the socials, and a lot of people they were feeling sorry for Umbali because she did state that umyeni wakhe uthe makaphuma kubo, they are living in the complex mos wadata someone who live in the same complex naye. Cabanga nje amadoda. So Umbali Skhosana guys, yesterday she made a video stating that the girl that esibona is dating umyeni wakhe who is Portia is not the girl owamkhipha emshadweni wakhe, and she doesn't know anything about umshado, but the girl owamkhipha emshadweni is someone who she's the one who invited that girl emshadweni, but she didn't know ukuthi ugeli uzothandana nomyeni wakhe. The girl wam-DM on TikTok wanting usizo, then she referred the girl to umyeni wakhe. Ngathi umyeni wakhe he's a traditional healer, so that means ugeli bakanenkinganyana ngentonyana zesintu. So then she said, know what, let me just give you ama-contact kamyeni, and that is when the relationship started. And that relationship, it was the worst, or that girl is the worst person she ever met, because that girl is she's the reason of umshado wakhe kuphela, and she is the reason that emshadweni wakhe uyewahlukumeza kakhulu guys. Umbali Skhosana posted a video where you could see she's crying, the girl engathi bekamshaya. But what into engimangazayo ku that video, the girl who's making a video or who is recording that video is saying to Umbali, ungishayelani, which means why are you beating me? Uthi ungishayelani, uke wangibona ngikushaya, why ungishaya, uke wangibona kakho. But Umbali in the video, she did say ukuthi uyena banomyeni wakhe, yena she thought banomyeni wakhe they are fixing things, and vele bekasasivumbile isithembu umyeni wakhe yena washela umyeni wakhe, then umyeni wakhe wacela ukuthi alethe iy'mpahla. I think Umbali that time bekungakakliki emcondweni wakhe ukuthi you know what, this guy is no longer in love with me, and this guy doesn't love me, because there's no way ukuthi umuntu angakulahla maceda acolisa athi ungwashela impahla, makasuka lapho lezo mpahla athi zilethe emzini omunye umfazi. Noma ngabe lo mfazi loyo wuye owakushaya isitina, but I don't think ukuthi it's a good thing. But yena uyasho ukuthi that time since bebazana they've met no girl, and they've agreed ukuthi basisithembini, so wamusa impahla not knowing ukuthi ugirl ukhona lapha endlini. That is when this whole thing started guys. So I'll post the video guys where this thing is happening, where you could see ukuthi Umbali akekho right. And I don't know guys ukuthi what makes amantombazana fight for a man. I don't know why into ukuthi nilweni indoda, you seem to be lo oshaya omunye angazi nezizwa amandla. Why ningashayela umuntu onihlanganisile? Okay, I don't know whether Umbali posted a video to do damage control, but what happened there is so sad guys, because on the video umuntu lo recorder uyabuza ukuthi wangishaya, kuwabona ngishayena. She keeps on saying I'm sorry, and then that iyakhuluma in the background, and I think ukuthi kuko konke lento eyenzakala lapha, the person who was wrong yile ndoda, because you cannot ukuthi ama-girlfriend akho alwa or unkosikazi wakho ne-girlfriend yakho ilwa, then when you just stand there and make a video. I think this video they made it just to destroy Umbali, because Umbali vele was very huge on TikTok. Maybe they wanted to destroy a brand Gambali, or to threaten Umbali, should you do anything, will release this video, because she did say ukuthi they even went to court. Ngoba uyewasho ugirl, the girl who's doing the video there. I'm not sure if the girl is doing the video or the husband, but the girl who's asking questions there, uyabuza ukuthi mangingakubophisa ufuna ngikubophise, you understand, should I get you arrested? Umbali keep on saying I'm sorry. So I don't know, usorry ngoba bamshaye boyithu, or usorry ngoba lo mhlulile ngamandla. I don't know who started the fight, but ke ushilo ukuthi it became physical. Understandable so ukuthi asabantu we as respond the same. yabo to ipain obvious amakhosikazi amaningi especially wives umuntu makathanda nendoda yakhe yiba uzothola umuntu ashaye iside chick, which is something I think mina is totally wrong, ivele ehlisa isidima sakho. But I'm so happy ukuthi uMbali ubuyile i-content yakhe isayenza isachubeka and she is working with more brands. I just pray ukuthi amazes all the negative comments, amazes everything that is negative, because her uploading these videos or now telling her story now, as much as we are saying tell your side of the story, because if you don't tell it, no one, someone will tell it on your behalf. I think they are saying that, but I've never seen the guy talking about this thing. Obvious, he won't talk about this thing because he knows that he's the one who's wrong, and the guy has moved on with another girl. I really don't understand what is happening. I did see on TikTok that girl, the girl who's currently dating ubhuti lo uLebu, ushilo ukuthi I'm not the girl on the video. You can even check my voice, listen to the voice. I'm not the girl. I've never met the girl. Angazi ngashaya umuntu. I've never, and I'll never beat someone. So I guess girl, the husband then bekasadida uthando, and that means bokumlilonyana wamaphepha, because even now uhlukene naloya girl mos. So I pray for uMbali, for healing kaMbali, and for her ukuthi I move on, focus on making money, because and focus on her brand as asiphekeleni angani zami, asiphekeleni umyeni wami, because obviously the brand asiphekeleni umyeni wakho, umyeni wami vele, even though bekayenzela umyeni wakhe, but it helping amanye amakhosikazi who have loyal husband, you understand, and the brand is growing, guys. People love her. I think she should just focus on positive, guys, positive things. But that is all for now. So please don't forget to comment down below your thoughts, and please don't forget to like, subscribe, share after watching the video. Nginethanda ukuya nokubuya.
Jayelani, ungishayelani nikwenze mina. Wona ukhuluma la ku-efonini, hey sesikhona ufuni, ngisele mina. Angikaze ngithuke mina lami intombazana. Uyadelela wena. Uyadelela. Uzofika la uzongishaya, and I'm saying ngiyakhiya so that ungangeni. Uyangena wena. Uyangona bakho mina ngoba ngivethe u. Okay yini? Wayengisuka manje nikwenze mina. Asikisi yini wayengenza kanje? Ngizokhuluma. So mawuze ukukhuluma ngawuthi sila kanjani? Asikisi mfethu. Wayengufika la ungishaya nikwenze. Asikisi mfethu. In my whole life, lento yenzakala ngeke zenzakala. Asikisi. Mangabe ubizala uzojabula. Uzoyenza ngani?